Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo, forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan. I've always said that sometimes the Senate impeachment hearings are in black and white. And we're very appreciative that Senator Robin always brings color and surprise and excitement. It's as if, especially if he's the last one to manifest, nagigising po kaming lahat. Kanina talaga nagigising kaming lahat. At pinagalitan pa kami sa front row. So may I use this opportunity to apologize to Senator Judge Robin. There was no intent to disrespect him. Kaya lang, syempre, pag lawyer ka at nasa litigation ka, i-emote ka mag-i-emote ka, no? Alam naman nila yung, hindi naman emote na drama, pero it is an instinctive reaction. There was really no intent to disrespect him when he said, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa front row, nagtinginan kaming ganyan, yung pala kami yun, nasa front row. So, Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo, forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan. Pero, the prosecution really is for the prosecution. And the defense is for the defense. Hindi ba? Ganon. As we say, it is the nature of the beast.